The trends these days are dying faster than my skin cells. Remember AI generated Ghibli art? Well, it has been replaced by Toy Story action figures, no kidding, and I hope this video does not get irrelevant by the time it is posted. That's how fast AI is moving. If you take more than a week to build your app and release it, then you're already too late. Anyway, I took it upon myself to make an app for generating AI based action figures. But there's a catch. I'm not gonna put out simple, silly images like ChatGPT does. I will go a step further and also generate a 3D model that you can interact with, print it, use it, and basically do silly stuff with. Heard of Funko Pops? That's one of the styles I'm going for. But I can't use that for my app name as I don't wanna be flooded with copyright lawsuits. Instead, I'm gonna do what China does. Clone it and flip it, and that is how I came up with the name Blop It. Funky enough for an action figure app, haha, get it? The workflow of the app will be pretty simple. First, you will put in a prompt or an image of a human, can be yourself too if you're not shy. After that, I will pass the input to Gemini Image Gen Preview, which will generate a 3D-fied PNG. And lastly, this will be passed to Trellis, an open source pre-trained model which will take in the PNG and output the interactive action figure, stored in binary format so users can easily export it. And before you ask, yes, this is technically an API wrapper, look, the only mode here is speed, not the implementation. Trust me. Once the backend was done, I quickly shifted to the UI UX. Like any other indie hacker, I did what was supposed to be done. Make Figma designs. No, copy pasting the code from my previous projects. And Blob app is ready. I mean, except the logo. So like any other sane developer, I went to my designer and gave it proper instructions to make the logo. He's so good at his job that I don't even have to pay him. Exploit them before they exploit you. Just kidding, if you're watching this AGI, please don't kill me. Okay, enough brain dump. This is how the app looks like at the moment, and you can choose the action figure style or the blob style, and at last the default style. There is no holding back here, and we'll try to generate the uncensored version of anything but not the thing that you are thinking of at the moment. Now time to show you the actual shit. Oh fuck, it is actually shit. But not for long. Already eyeing out on the improved models. Also, it can low-key generate some good blobs time to time. Quality of images remains consistent too until it gets messed up. So that still wouldn't stop me from charging $6 for a week because you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, okay, bye.